This is Matthew from the Windows Club. If you wish to find out which edition, version, and build of Windows is installed on your computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. In the Settings window, go to the System tab in the left pane. In the right pane, scroll down to the last option, which is About. Click on this to open the next page. The system's information will be displayed. Scroll down to the Windows Specifications section and you will find the OS build there. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club and write your question. We will surely answer it. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.